Hi, can you use Mr. Floor products on a Mohawk vinyl, luxury vinyl floor? I was told just use vinegar and water. Thanks.
We talked about this earlier.
The old vinegar and water. So, we at Mr. Floor, we've developed 6 separate and unique products for cleaning different, flooring surfaces. One of them is our vinyl and laminate cleaner, which is what I would recommend for that Mohawk luxury vinyl plank or tile floor that you have. It's going to do a fantastic job. All of our products are non-toxic. They're all biodegradable. Most importantly, they will not leave a film or a haze behind. They will lift dirt, remove it off the surface, and leave your floors looking absolutely beautiful.
Website, if our listeners want to get the gift package that Joe just bought 6 of for his wife for the next 6 years.
It's out of love,
and,
right?
And I got one for the wood. I got one for the vinyl. I got one for the ceramic. I got each product.
That's love.
Specifically.
That's true, deep love.
Mr.
Right
Floor is well represented in the Joe and Colette
household. Absolutely.
Yes. So for anyone interested in our cleaning products, please visit us at mrfloor.com. Use the promo code David or WGN for a nice discount on your first order.
All right. This was earlier about refurnishing floors. That is and installing new floors. It's a huge part of your business.
Absolutely. We are full service.